Now then, let's have some tips on how to use advanced spreadsheet using the if function. So if function allows us to do simple programming on our spreadsheet. So here I have a sample of a simple spreadsheet which entitled the National Spanish exam. So this is not the actual result of the exam. I just made it for the purpose of giving you the tips on how to use advanced spreadsheet. Now in here we can see the names and their respective scores. So now I want to know and I want to show you on how we can determine if this student has passed or failed the examination. So we will be using the if function to do that. So for us to see if Tom has passed or failed the examination, we just have to put the active cell on the cell D3, wherein we will be doing the formula of the if function. Then we will be typing the equal sign and if to begin the formula. So I said earlier that this allows us to put some simple programming on our spreadsheet because it answers the if and then statement. Now if this is true, then do this. Then we'll be putting the open parentheses. Now we will see that after typing the open parentheses, the Excel will be displaying some hints on how to create the formula. Then we have to click the cell C3 because it's the cell we want to test. Then put in the greater than sign to determine the limit or the score limit. In here we'll just put 69, meaning 69 below will be failed and 70 above is passed. Now we will be doing the then function. I just want to tell you that if we put the statement then, it won't work. So then function is represented by the first comma. Then let's put a space before we type the open quotation. So I want the word pass to appear on the cell if it meets the condition of the if function. So let's type the word pass and another quotation mark to finish the first statement. Then we will be putting the second comma that will represent if not or if false. Press enter on the keyboard and another quotation mark, and then we will put the word fail, another quotation mark, and closing parenthesis. And we'll just have to press enter to see if the score meets the limit or the condition of the if function. So to have the answer on the other entry of our spreadsheet, so instead of typing it or typing the formula again one by one, we just have to click or to put our cursor here on this small square on the lower right of the cell D3. Then drag it down all the way to the last cell. Then we have to release the button and the answer of the if function will appear automatically. So it is not the pass or failed word that is copied, but all of the formula on D3. And that is how we do it on an easier way. So that's it. And thank you for watching. I hope I gave you some understanding on how to use the if function on advanced spreadsheet. Bye-bye.